Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will dive into the world of nutrition and vibrant eating habits, focusing on the incredible benefits of ragi, also known as finger millet. If you're a health-conscious youngster who's looking to elevate your diet with the powerhouse foods, then you've landed in the right spot. Let's uncover top 5 reasons why ragi deserves a spot in your daily diet. Nutritional Powerhouse. Ragi is packed with calcium, iron and fiber, which is amazing for your overall well-being. Skin and hair savior. Antioxidants in ragi protect you from oxidative damage and will also give you a radiant appearance. Weight management ally. Its high fiber content promotes satiety and also helps you in balancing your weight. Bone builder. Ragi supports bone strength through calcium and vitamin D. Heart's best friend. It nourishes your heart with magnesium and potassium. Now let's get cooking with some nutritious, mouth-watering ragi recipes. Ragi Roti. Well, Ragi Roti is an Indian traditional mouth-watering flat bread that you can eat for breakfast and lunch. Ragi Dosa. Well, a healthy twist to a classic recipe. You can add vegetables and cheese on this Ragi Dosa. Ragi Pizza. Indulge in guilt-free Ragi Pizza featuring a crust made from ragi flour, and you can also customize it with your favorite fillings like vegetables and cheese. Ragi Pancakes. Whip up fluffy pancakes straight for your breakfast made from ragi flour. Ragi homemade energy bars. Well, you can make a ragi energy bar for a quick snack on the go with nuts, seeds, dried fruits and of course ragi. Ragi chocolate chip cookies. Well, if you love sweets, then you can definitely go for ragi chocolate chip cookies that include chocolate chips, dry fruits and a dash of cinnamon for a healthy treat. Ragi pasta and noodles. Well, you can also try ragi pasta and ragi noodles as a healthier alternative of your favorite pasta dishes or stir fries. Watch how to make a ragi pizza recipe in just 15 minutes.
Ingredients you'll need: 1:2 cup finger millet flour, ragi, water as needed, 1.5 tablespoon pizza sauce, 1:4 diced corn, 1:4 diced onion, 1:4 diced capsicum, 1:4 diced carrots, olives optional, 1 tablespoon grated cheese. Step 1. Let's start by crafting our crispy ragi pizza base. Mix the finger millet flour, ragi with water until you achieve a smooth doughy consistency. Step 2. Once your ragi pizza base is ready, it's time to add some zest. Spread a generous layer of pizza sauce onto the base, then sprinkle on the vibrant mix of yellow corn. Step 3. For an extra burst of flavor, scatter some diced onions and some capsicums and carrots over the top. You can also add olives, it's optional. Step 4. Now add some grated cheese onto it. Cover the pan with a lid to let the cheese melt and the crust crisp up to perfection. Step 5. Once your ragi pizza is golden brown and irresistible, serve it piping hot and get ready to savor every crispy, flavorful bite.
Try one of these ragi recipes this week and let us know your experience in the comment section.